Remove the paper tray and double-sided unit. Remove the back cover and left cover. Disconnect all data harnesses of ADF units and scanning units from the data board. Remove the support arm screws and remove the support arm. Remove the panel cable protective cover. Pull out these two flat cables. Pay attention to the adhesive on the back of the cables. At this point, you can simultaneously extract the scanning unit and the ADF unit. Please pay attention to the wiring harness connecting the scanning unit and ADF unit when removing them, and do not damage them. Place the removed scanning unit and ADF unit on the workbench as shown in the video. Remove locking screw. Removing the harness protection cover. Loosen the hinge connection and then you can remove the ADF unit.